In this video, we're going to see how to rename our package name. Let's get started. Hi guys, my name is Nikesh and I am from meetingbeofficial.com. In this video, let us see how to change our package name. And now our package name is com.package n. And now let us rename it to com.first project. So in order to do that, just click on this and go to this gear icon and select this compact middle packages. Now it will separate it into separate files. Now you may have separate files, so and if you want to rename, just click on that and click on shift tab 6 on your keyboard and you will get this window and click on rename package. Now I'm going to rename it as first package and just click on refactor. So it will ask me to do refactor, and now it will change in all places. So now copy this and you need to change this package name in another place as well. So go to the build.gradle and you can see the application ID here, it is not changed. So now we need to manually change this to com.firstpackages and just click on sync now. And now our package name is rename. So this is how we need to rename the package. So in this thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to 18b.